All right. The office had 8 boxes of paper and a stack of 200 more sheets. There were a total of 4,200 pages. All right. So what do we not know?
How many sheets of paper
Right. How many sheets of paper are in each box? So let's set this up. The number of sheets in each box is going to represent our variable because we don't know. What letter do y'all want to use for our variable? Z? We'll use Z. So 8 boxes, so Z, so 8Z. And tells us what operation? To add. So plus, right, 200. And then it says there were a total. Total tells me equal sign 4,200. So equals 4,200. All right. First thing, I'm going to draw my line down from my equal sign so that I can work on both sides and not mess up my equation. Remember, with a two-step equation, we're going to work with addition or subtraction first, then we'll move on to multiplication or addition. So I have addition. To undo addition, I'm going to use the inverse operation of subtraction. So I will subtract 200, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. I will bring down my 8Z equals, what is 4,200 subtract 200?
4,000.
It's 4,000. All right, if two things are touching like this, what operation is taking place? Multiplication, and I'll use the inverse operation of division. I'll divide by my coefficient of 8. I'll come over here and divide by my coefficient of 8. I'll bring down Z. And what is 4,000 divided by 8? 500. All right, let's go through the checking process. I'm going to put my equation that I set up over here. 8Z plus 200 equals 4,200. I will substitute the value of my variable in. So 8 times 500, and everything else comes down. All right, let's go through the GEMS process. Do I have grouping symbols?
No.
I do, but they relate to multiplication, so I'm not going to regard them as grouping. Exponents. Do I have any exponents? No. So we'll go to M, multiply or divide. I have multiplication, so let's multiply. What is 8 times 500? 4,000. Bring everything else down. Okay. Now I'll go to S with subtraction or addition. Let's add, right? 4,000 plus 200? 4,200 equals 4,200. So that checks out. Now, with our solution section of our recording sheet, we're going to record in sentence form what this answer means. And what was it that we let the variable represent? How many sheets of paper that were in each box. So there are 500 sheets of paper in each box.